Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of the indicator store of the series Do It Yourself. And today we are going to upgrade that server that we created, that VPS that we created long time ago. This is the minimum configuration, okay? So we are going to upgrade to a new release, okay? I have the info. We only need the IP, user, and password. Okay, this is what the provider sends when you upgrade your system. So let's see how we can proceed. Okay, we only need to open remote desktop. Then we type the IP. I'm going to type the user. I'm going to save this as an icon. Okay, this is trading. Oh, sorry. Trading VPS version 2. It's a little bigger than this. Okay. Instead of documents, I am going to move this to desktop, okay? So we can see the icon here. So now, if we click connect from here, we are already on the VPS, okay? But no problem, we can configure from this VPS another VPS, okay? So double click, don't ask me again, connect. The password, I need to copy this from the email. Remember, okay. Don't ask me again. Yes. And we have now a clean computer, okay. We can get rid of this. Yes. What was that? Here. I don't want to start this each time I open. Okay, we have updates. I am going to leave this for another time. First of all, let's check the settings so we can compare with this one. So let's go to the task manager. So now we have two virtual processors. It is the same processor, but now we have two processors, okay? We have also 8 gigabytes of RAM instead of only 4. And for the disk, I need the file manager. Where is that? Here. It's busy. Now we have 200 gigabytes. Okay, so if we compare this with this 100, 200. So twice the space on disk, twice the memory, and also twice the number of processors. So it will be faster. I am going to leave the cost of this version on the description of the video. Okay. Now again we need to install NinjaTrader. I'm going to do this fast. Okay. Or even better, if we already have NinjaTrader, I guess I do, on here, it should be on download. Yes, we already have NinjaTrader. So I can copy, right click, copy, and now this is the other VPS. Right click, paste. Okay, now we can install NinjaTrader. Finish. And we have NinjaTrader installed. Simulation. We can work with the simulation and the live at the same time, but we need to set an option. Let me show you. Okay, now it is loading the default workspace. And we already saw that we can create a new workspace. Save as test. Okay, and now we can change anything from here. For example, I don't want this or this or this. Just one chart. Okay, and also if you want to be connected, no, because now when we go to chart trader, we only have one account, or the sim or the live, depending on the option at the beginning. But if we want to have everything together, we can select options, tools, options, multi-provider. Okay, we need to restart, so close, save the workspace, yes. And now when we start NinjaTrader again, now we can select, we need to be connected. Okay, so when we select connect, we have options, or simulation, or different brokers, and we can even add more. Okay, we can add Continuum, Forex, Coinbase. If you want to check, for example, if I select Coinbase, now when I connect to my Coinbase, now we can chart cryptos, for example. Let's say Bitcoin versus USD, BTC, USD. Try 15 minutes. Okay. More data, maybe 1 month. We can see, let's switch to 1 hour. Not enough to reach the 100,000. data series, and maybe 60 days. Yeah, this was the moment, okay, when we were over 100,000. As you can see, this is free, okay? This feed, so you can chart in any time frame, any crypto. Now, if I want to copy all the configuration from here to here, I need to copy everything. Like, for example, all these, copy, paste it here. Those are the indicators. We already did this from another server to this other, no? And also the templates and the ATM, because we don't have any ATM here. So we need an ATM. The ATMs are inside documents. Documents, NinjaTrader 8, templates, chart. Okay, and we have those templates. We have also the ATM strategy. There's only one, this one, okay, that we can see here. But here we don't have anyone. There are no ATMs. So we can copy that. Let's see if we can get access to that. Okay, I need a file manager. And go to Documents, NinjaTrader 8, Templates, ATM Strategy. Nothing here, and we need to copy this to here. Paste. Okay. Now I don't know if we need to restart NinjaTrader or it is already available. Yes, it is already available. The templates, because we don't have any template here. If we right click the chart, templates, load, there's nothing. Okay, so we need to go to templates, chart, copy all of that, copy, and then here, templates, chart, paste. Okay, and now we have templates for the chart. Templates, load, and here are the 3 templates. But we cannot use those templates because they are using indicators that I have not installed yet. I don't know if we can use this one. No. Okay, there's nothing visible because I need to install all of the indicators that I placed here. We can try. Okay, so we go to Tools, Import, NinjaScript, and install from the desktop. First of all, markers. Okay. Tools, import, NinjaScript, and now the second. And finally, the 8-year trend. Tools, import, NinjaScript, this one. Okay. Perfect. Now let me maximize this. If I load a template, I don't know if this template is going to work with Bitcoin, but we can check. Template, load, I don't know this one. Load. Okay, we need to configure the software that we have installed. I don't remember the user ID. I am going to make a pause here. Okay, now it is working. Let's see if we can use the indicator with the 8-year trend, how it works with Bitcoin. I guess we need to change the parameters. Let's see. It looks like working. We can improve the signals. I guess I already created a video about the 8-year trend with Bitcoin, but on TradingView. But anyway, we can increase this number. So the signals are more clean. We can add a threshold of maybe a distance like this to avoid this noise. But how much is that distance? We need to have an idea how much is that, no? So we can use the ruler to avoid the noise between here and here. We have in ticks, no in price, in ticks, 18,000. Let's say 20,000, okay? So a threshold of 20,000. Okay? Now we have even better signals. And so on. We can also increase the number of bars to make it more smooth, like this. Okay? Anyway, this is an indicator that we can optimize. I guess I already created a video showing how to optimize this indicator. But the idea is we are almost ready because I need my account to trade futures here. But anyway, we are ready, okay? We have everything working on the second VPS. And this VPS even is working on this computer. But I can copy the icon to access this VPS. Let me show you, no? If I close, that instance is still working. So I can double click. And we can see it is working, no? So let me close. And now I want to run this from my computer. So I can copy this icon from here. Where is the copy? Here, copy and paste it on my computer. Paste. And now we can also run the VPS from our computer. Okay, that will be everything for today. Hope this video has been useful. If you have any question or comment, you can visit our chat room on Discord. The access is free and the instructions are on the description of this video. You can also find the links to the VPS and a discount coupon. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.